Space is often a scarce commodity on a panel design in control cabinets for industrial machinery. Let's take a look inside. There are overcurrent fuses, surge protection, an EMC filter, a power supply, and various other components. Do we need the extra overcurrent protection? No. And extra overvoltage protection? No. Now let's replace the filter. The new SCHURTER FPBB RAIL is the next generation EMC filter that has overcurrent and overvoltage protection already built in. Overcurrent protection is provided by an integrated circuit breaker SCHURTER T9, but the filter is also available with a fuse holder or without any overcurrent protection at all. Fast and easy wiring is guaranteed thanks to cage clamps. The ultra-slim designed filter saves space on the rail, space for additional equipment. SCHURTER's FPBB RAIL is available in 3 variants, with an integrated circuit breaker, a fuse holder, or without overcurrent protection. SCHURTER. Safe and easy.